I promised to make a video when I get monetized because Restream actually works. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, I got monetized, guys. I joined YouTube last year September, and when I joined, I was putting out content gradually because I just gave birth. I gave birth last year, and when I joined YouTube in September, I was not consistent because I had a lot going on behind the scene, plus my business, guys. I'm a fashion designer, so I had a lot of other because we're getting close to December, so I needed to make sure I meet my deadline. At the same time, being consistent on YouTube and doing your business is actually not easy. So I watched a video Vibe Sonia posted about how to get monetized using this stream. So on this fateful day, I came across this lady. Her name is Ajiri Styles, and I watched her video. She was talking about Restream, and I'm like, I've heard about this system before from Vibe Sonia, and she breaks it down. She breaks it down how to do the Restream and everything, and it was something I could do, but since I was new on YouTube and I know about copyright strikes and everything, I decided to reach out to her to help me make videos that I can post on my YouTube to get more views. So what Restream is a platform. The way we have StreamYard, we have Restream, and is a streaming platform whereby you can go live vertically there. We have live on YouTube. You can go live on YouTube, but um, using Restream, I think is more understandable for me, and you can go live like it's like a silent stream. You can go live and do other things you want to do. And sometimes, most times, I come back to check on it just to engage. I see people engaging on my videos. I engage with them on that live. So I reached out to Ajuri Styles, and she made videos for me, like catchy videos. Your videos must be catchy. So she made catchy videos for me, and I paid her for it because she's working for her time. So I'm taking her time, so I had to pay for it. It's actually not expensive. So she helped me edit the video. She got the video, she edited it, and she sent it back to me, and I uploaded it on my real stream, and I went live. So I streamed live for 10 hours. What I did was I did every 10 hours. So I started that live in early December, and before the middle of December, I got monetized. Now I'm not excited. I'm not that excited that I'm monetized. No, because I know that it's one thing to get monetized, and it's another thing to make money from YouTube. So I know that this is just the beginning of my YouTube journey. I just wanted to get monetized so I can focus more on creating content for YouTube. There's still so many more going on behind the scenes, which with time I'll update you guys. But I'll try my best to put out more content for you guys, and I hope you guys like my content. And anyways, if you want to get those catchy videos that will help you get monetized faster, you can reach out to Andrew Styles. I'll put her YouTube name here so you can check her up. Or I can put her Instagram name also so you can check her up on Instagram, and you guys can continue from there. I'm not even in a hurry, truth be told, because I know that with time and consistency, I'll get what I'm looking for. So all I know is just to be consistent and put up more videos. Like be consistent as I can be. That's the truth because I can't promise to do 3 videos a week, 5 videos a week. I like being realistic. I know I have a busy schedule. I know I have work. I have a daughter to take care of. I don't have a help. But with time, I'll be consistent. Like I'll be more consistent. So yeah, that's what I came to tell you guys about. So if you want to know more about Restream, please go to her YouTube channel. She has like a detailed video about Restream. You can also go to Vibe with Sonia's channel. She also has a detailed video about Restream. And once you get your 4,000 watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers, please stop it and focus more on your own content. You get what I mean? Yeah, that's what I keep to update you guys about. Stay tuned for my next video, guys. Please turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And do not forget to like and share my videos to your friends and loved ones. With that being said, guys, have a nice day. Bye.